Welcome back to my channel. Jadi sekarang tuh mau pergi ke waterfall di sini untuk merayakan. Tong sudah, maaf dong terlalu cerewet, untuk merayakan apa ya? Tong punya diri, Tong selesai final exam. So yeah, I'm ikuti Tong perjalanan. Tong ada 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dengan saya. Jadi kita sekarang mau pergi belanja dulu, habis itu top up bus car karena kita akan pakai bus. Baru setelah itu pergi ke sana. Yeay. Look at her face. We're shopping here.
Sister, what are you gonna get?
I don't get anything.
For everybody. I look it.
Okay, we choose. I don't know.
How much is that? $12. What the freak? I don't know how much that is too.
They got a drink, you know, the liquid.
Yeah, and they thought we were underage. I'm 30 years old.
Yeah.
Why are they doing this to me?
To us, girl.
To us.
Yeah, we wait, and
We
then
are the security.
After this, then we go to the bus station.
Yeah. That one's overage. Very overage. 1, 2, 3. Big.
Waiting for the bus. Yeah, we should come here like earlier, right? So we're late, so we have to wait for the next bus. Yeah. The bus is here. We're gonna go use this bus, guys. Yeah, we wait and then we're gonna go in. And I was like, okay. Okay, we're gonna top up the bus and then we go. Okay, we are ready to go.
Consequences.
after use. So it's like real hair. All of the girls should cover, you know, everything. So yeah, and now we are going to the waterfall. Yay.
Climbing this hill.
From down there. Here is the top. Come on, girls. Hey. So my grandchildren can watch it.
As you can see the ones right in front. Them two, they are walking. Not probably there. Bila itu mama api skate lah mama. I'm well.
Ooh,
I'm
girl.
slippery. When you walk, you will fall
Wait,
down.
can you hold my hand? No, just kidding. Oh no, I can. Oh, it's so good. It's remind me of my village actually. Kaya ko ragi. What? Oh, they still. Okay, where are you now? Look at us. Girl! Back, go back, girl. Too deep. You put my... Okay, that side it's kind of deep, so that's why we have to move around there, and then we go here. We're gonna get the look at the waterfall. This is like the small waterfall. We made it. Okay, the waterfall is over there. We're here. Yeah.
I don't know how to jump.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Woo, that's so cool. So she is our mommy, sugar mommy.
We'll be having buns and chicken for lunch.
Yeah.
So, the chicken just came out of the oven. Already cooked. Oh yeah. Oh,
Girl. The bread.
name is.
Good job.
You didn't say, so I was like, okay.
Ban.
And then you're gonna eat it.
Nah, ini udah punya. Tapi saya dulu udah marah tuh.
Okay, this is us after swimming and everything.
It's your last time.
Look at our fish. It's cloudy.
They look at this
And
one.
some of friends there. I think we're gonna go. It's like it's already 3, so we're gonna go like before 4. So
They come by at like
on our way back.
What is the problem?
Okay, so now we're going to wear our lap again because we're gonna pass the village. So yeah, and after that then we're gonna wait for the bus and go back to the city. Then we go.
Walk about from Shore.
We are waiting for the bus. We got the bus, guys, and then not us. It's raining. We are going through the rain. Someone has to record my. This one's still pretty, but look at this. We're looking for another taxi to go. To go to Halls. Oh my gosh! Look at her. Yeah, okay.
We get a taxi and now we're on our way to the comment, subs, share, like, yeah, whatever. And get us out. Peace.